make cookies. Ah! Okay, so low key, I don't know how long to bake them for and how many degrees. Let me see. Oh. Let me figure that out. Look what I found. Matcha cookie. What? That's cool. Okay, so I have this. It's like rock hard. I should have let it sit. I have croissant. What?
Are you gonna make it?
I'm making my cookie, but I'm only making 2.
Well, make me one, and your sister one.
So I'm gonna make 3.
Yeah, we can have. Yeah, we can have it.
Why half it? Okay, fine. I'll make 3.
Oh yeah.
I'll make 3 because. Okay. Snip the tip. Oh God. Ay. Let me wash my hands. I have a YouTube channel, yes, I do. No, she doesn't. What the heck? She doesn't watch it over and over and over again. I'm gonna just cut it. And then like flatten it. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh gosh, okay, wait, let me like make it. Okay. Open one of these. And then flatten it. Like make it flat like that. And then just lay it on like that. It's like really flat. And then just do it like that. Close it. Flatten it out. Put some on top. Thumbnail. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Okay, one done. God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What? I'm so funny. You've been craving that? Heck yeah. I've been craving this, bruh. I've been craving this. This. Oh. Okay. One more.
I get a spoon?
Okay. There. I made 3. And I used over half of that. I'm surprised. I'm going to preheat. Look at Elby. Preheat the oven.
Put water. Would you go get your toy? Ellen, over there, right there, look, over there.
Okay. There you go. She's just sitting next to me. You're just sitting next to me? You're so cute. I'm just waiting for it to preheat. Preheat. Dang, I caught that. You were licking them fingers good. Finger licking good. I'm using this wax paper on that. I'm gonna put more. Okay. Everyone online makes the cookie dough inside the croissant so thick, and it just looks too much. So I made it thin.
Sit. Come sit. Abby, sit.
Just cleaning up
And you can pack through this.
while I wait for this to
Abby,
preheat.
sit. It's done already.
What?
Your cookie.
No. I have to wait for the oven to preheat, and then I'm gonna cook it for like 15 minutes, or maybe like 12 minutes.
I thought you put the cookie inside.
I did.
Oh, and on top?
Yeah, and on top.
Damn.
But like I made it thin, like inside, because I don't want a lot, you know?
Yeah.
And then I made it thin on top too. I'm just vibing. We have. It's going fast. Oh. It's done. Okay. Let's put it in. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. All right. This is going in for, I'm gonna check on it after 12 minutes. Okay, I'm doing 11 minutes because I'm scared the croissant is gonna burn. I hope I don't burn it. I'm scared. Anyways. I'm just gonna dance while we wait and just listen to this music. Ooh. 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 Wait, I turned the light on for the oven. Look, gosh. She's kind of dirty, but ooh. It looks good. So it's March 10th. Today was the day I
met the team of my new job, and they're so cool. So I'm excited to work with them. And today I had to call my boss and tell her that I'm resigning because I found a new job. It went better than expected. I was so anxious about like having to deal with all of it, but naturally it just worked out. And instead of me having like dwelling on it and like thinking about it, I was just, let me just deal with it when the time comes. And look what happened. Now I'm chilling, and I don't know. I'm very grateful that I chose this path, like chose the way I dealt with this situation, because I know past me would have been going crazy about all this change and stuff. But I'm shocked that I'm dealing with it really well. So I'm very proud. Yeah. And I'm excited. I need a little, just a little bit, just a little bit. Please don't take it personal. This part where Chaeyoung says Chaeyoung remix. Ah! And then this part. Wait. Hey. Okay, I kind of burnt them. Oh. But let's take them out. Oh. Hot. Yes. Okay, I did kind of burn them, but I'm gonna let it cool for a bit. And they did get pretty thick, so yeah. We'll check back in a few minutes after they've cooled, and then we'll taste this. We'll taste test them. All right, guys. They've been cooling for a few minutes, so I could just. Oh my god! Wait, I'm so excited. Oh my god! Yes. Ah. Okay, let me clean up and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so let's walk on over and sit down and try it. I put them in the oven too long, so they're kind of burnt. Kind of burnt them, but that's okay. Okay, I poured myself some vanilla soy, but here it is. Okay, I'm gonna like break it like how they do it. Wait, hold up. Oh, you can't even see it, because I put a thin layer. Okay, even just that was really good. Okay. Oh my god. No. No. This is the best thing I've ever made. Ever. Oh my god. I thought the cookie dough on the inside would be a little too much. But no, it's literally perfect. It's not too sweet. I thought it would be so sweet. It's not too sweet. And I thought the gooiness of the dough inside would be too much, but I put such a thin layer, like the perfect amount of thinness of the cookie dough, where it's like just the right amount of gooey. And then the crispy flakiness of the croissant makes it so good. Holy fuck, this is so good. Wow. That's fucking good. Wow. Okay, wait. See? It's not too much on the inside. And the croissant is like a good amount to like balance out the sweetness of the cookie. No. This is so good. This is so good. I want to eat this every day, but that would be so bad for me. Every bite I take is literally perfect. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna film Ate and Mark's reaction. I let it cool off. Bruh. It's like really flaky. You should break it in half and then eat it from the middle. Rather than, oh, okay.
Look at Angel's face.
Thoughts?
That's really good.
Right?
I feel like it'd be better if I'm You know, dude, there was this one time
Oh, I should have got high.
where she was high and then she sent me and Adeline the TikTok of it, and she was like, "This looks so good right
Oh yeah.
now."
Oh yeah, it was high.
I really want
Wait,
it.
try it. It's actually good.
Hey, girl.
I feel like this is how every song comes.
Gonna be bust.
She was like, "This looks so good right
Right?
now."
Literally.
Why didn't you do what she said?
Because I didn't want to split it in half. It's going to be really flaky.
Yeah, that's true. And then your fingers are gonna get.
Alright?
It's so good, right? Girl, you can't lie.
It's actually good.
It's so good, isn't it?
We learned that at TikTok.
Yes. Right?
Try with the milk.
You were skeptical, but look at you. Look at you.
was. I'm not gonna lie.
But now it's so good.
Why were you
right?
hating?
Cause
Okay, I forgot to film an outro, but craving satisfied. I hope you enjoyed. Peace.